Hey guys, it's me, Jessica DeLeon, and welcome back to my channel. I haven't been filming for a while, and mainly because I've been feeling really times 10 sick, and I had to take a break. So hopefully I can get back into the groove of things and start feeling better, and that's the goal, hence why I'm doing this video. So today I have a kind of fun video. I have an unboxing for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing the unboxing, then keep on watching. Bought the Impressions Hello Kitty Trifold plus compact mirror bundle for $49.99 off of the Impressions website. I've always loved Hello Kitty ever since I was a kid when I used to have the Sanrio stores at the mall. So this was right up my alley, especially since I was looking for a new vanity mirror. So let me show you the mirror that I got. And I got this mirror right here. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the Impressions for Hello Kitty's Supercute Trifold plus compact mirror bundle. And that's what it says at the bottom. It's just got a bunch of about the features of the mirror. Made in China. The other side of the box is the same thing. It's the bottom of the box. I don't even know what's on there. The barcode, like just the description of what is in the box on the bottom. So yeah, that's pretty much the box, guys. So let's go ahead and open it. So it looks like you get a little pamphlet. It's the instruction manual. So here is the base of the mirror, of the large mirror. Here is the power cord for the large mirror. And this is not a C. So this is the USB, the old style. And one more thing in there. And the last thing is the compact. And that's it. Nothing else in the box. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to take the bubble wrap off of this. Wow, it's super pretty. I love it. Oh, how cute. So it has little hearts that go all the way around. That is where the light comes out of this mirror. My daughter's has, it's a strip of white that goes all the way around, which is actually what I wanted. But on the website, you can't see what each mirror looks like. They don't show you a picture of each mirror opened like this. So I actually had no idea that the lights were going to be little hearts. So we'll have to see if I'm actually going to end up liking this style. But so far the mirror is really cute anyway. So this is the mirror. Super cute. Let me just show you, I guess. So it's got the trifold. So it folds in, as you guys saw, and then you unfold it like so. And it has 2x magnification on this mirror, 3x magnification, and just a regular magnification on this mirror here on the right side, and then the mirror in the middle is regular magnification. And also on the inside it has this cute little bow and then Hello Kitty in the corner, so that's really cute. And also on the back of the mirror, this is where you're going to put in your batteries, and it's AAA's. I can tell you right now, batteries are not going to last very long in this. They just don't last as long, and the mirror is not as bright when you're using batteries as compared to when you have it plugged in. So just something to note. And then in the back, it has this little Hello Kitty by Sanrio 2021. That is the big mirror so far. Here is the stand that it goes on, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach it. So yeah, I'm just gonna click that into this base. You just push down until it clicks. Now it is clipped onto the base. It's not going anywhere. Before I plug the large mirror in, I want to go ahead and show you really quickly the compact mirror. It looks just like the large mirror. The print is the same. And here is the bottom of the mirror. This is where the batteries are located. Underneath the battery door, there's 4 of those 3-volt CR2032 batteries. So under that battery door, you saw the batteries that are under there. And so there's 2 little ridges here that kind of help you grip it to open it. Okay, there we go. And super cute. This is what the mirror is looking like. On the bottom is the touch screen light to turn it on. There's a little Hello Kitty stamp, just like on the big mirror in the corner, which, as you guys saw, it actually does light up. So that's cool. And they also have the little bow in the corner, but because there's no light here, the bow doesn't light up. And the top mirror is 2x, so you can get a little bit of magnification on the top. So yeah, that's what the mirror looks like. I mean, it's just super cool. Absolutely a darling. And this one does not have different lighting settings, so that's as bright as it's going to get, and that's the only color that's going to be available for that light. You can't adjust it or anything like that. It's a really large mirror. I mean, it takes up my entire hand, so this is not a small compact mirror. But yeah, I love this. I cannot wait to pull this out and use it, and I'll probably will use it a lot. So love this. I'm going to plug this in for you guys and show y'all what it looks like all lit up. I have it all plugged in, and there's this little red light on the bottom to indicate that it's plugged in and that it's working or it's getting power. And so now let's go ahead and light this baby up. Here we go. Wow, that's bright. Okay, I like this. I'm not mad at it at all. I really thought I was gonna hate it, but I don't. This one is not bad at all. I'm looking at myself in the mirror, and I feel like it's doing a really good job at illuminating me. The Hello Kitty on this and the bow do not light up. So if you press the button down, it'll make it brighter. And then if you press it down, it'll make it dimmer. You see, it gets dimmer and brighter. So that's how you dim and brighten it. You just can hold the button down. So unlike my daughter's mirror, this one doesn't change colors. Hers will go to a soft white or soft yellow, and then it goes to like a less, like somewhere in between here. But this one doesn't do that. And the only thing that this one does is gets dimmer and it gets brighter. So I'm a little disappointed in that. The 2x mirror is good. The 3x mirror is really good. For the price, for 50 bucks, it's a pretty decent mirror, and I'm really excited to be using it. I'm happy about it. I'm excited for $50. And honestly, just the fact that I got this little extra mirror, which by itself, guys, is $29. So it's almost worth it to buy the bundle than it is to buy either one separately. So I kind of feel like I almost got like buy one, get one free with this. So anyways, yeah guys, that's pretty much it for my little review on this mirror in compact. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you guys for subscribing and hanging in there with me, and I definitely will be filming more videos to come, so stay tuned, keep on your notifications, subscribe and like. So yeah guys, that's it for this video, and Lily.